should be popping, heard you get it popping.
Hey y'all, today we have another wig install and review, and today we are working with UNiceHair once again, and they gave me some cute little goodies. This cute little pink satin bag. They gave me some wig caps, a melting band, some nails, some stickers, and they also gave me this big pack of lashes, y'all. I was so in shock, and they gave me extra wig caps. I was looking at these lashes like, oh my goodness, like, UNice do not play. Even though those lashes are a bit long, it's customer service for me. And then this is their Bye Bye Knots Wear and Go 7x4.5 wig, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. So let's jump right into this install. Let's not waste no time. This is the wig straight out the box, like I said. Bye Bye Knots Wear and Go, and this is the 7x5 lace, not 7x4. This is a 7x5 lace. It comes with bleach knots. It's pre-cut and pre-plucked as well. So all I'm doing right here is just parting out this wig so that I can hot comb the top of it and get it flat. At the end of this, I realized that I didn't really have to hot comb it because the top of it wasn't bad or anything, but I do like the top of my wigs to be flat. So that's what I'm doing here, taking my wax stick, my hot comb, and my Fantasia holding spray and just making sure to get it super flat. And I did that till I was done with the entire head. And right here, I'm just taking my Fantasia holding spray and spraying it on the front of that hairline and kind of pushing it back so it looks sleek and laid down.
To be honest, it's kind of cute even when it's not like hot combed, because the wig, it does come like pre-customized, so it's kind of already like, you know, it's not bad at the top. I honestly could have left it the way it was. I'm just hot combing it for a little extra, you know, just to really get it on fleek, you know. All right, so I'm done hot combing the top, and this just looks so freaking good already. Like, I don't know how many times I say that phrase in my videos, like, that looks so freaking good, but it just looks so good already. And then I wanted to do actually a side part, but this just looks so freaking good. Like, oh my god, this looks so good. So I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part. I'm really debating right now. I know both would look so good, but y'all just know I love doing side parts. So for now, I'm just going to do a middle part, and then I might come back and do a side part. So now that that's done, all I'm going to do is spray down the hair really good, detangle it, and put some mousse in it. And I haven't done anything to the lace, y'all. No makeup, no plucking, didn't bleach anything, didn't cut anything. The lace is just lacing. I do need to put a little bit of makeup on it to fix that white line, but I'll do that at the end after I go through and detangle this hair. So yeah. And y'all, usually I don't like the way the baby hairs come on the wigs, but I just combed these out. I didn't put nothing on them, I just combed them out. And why is these baby hairs kind of eating? Like, once I combed them out, that is not bad at all. Like, I haven't done anything to this wig, y'all. When I tell y'all, I put this wig on straight out the box, like, wear and go. I'm about to get mad because these curls look so good, to the point where I'm about to get mad, because this compared to this is so misleading. when the curls actually look like this, why do the curls look so freaking good? Now the ends are gonna have to be trimmed because you see how the ends are like straight. That's okay. That's why I trim the ends on all my wigs, but I just like, these units just do not miss. Like, I don't understand how is y'all making these wigs this good? I mean, really help me understand. I'm gonna go to China and go to the factory so I can see what they're doing, because look at the curls. So freaking pretty. Like, I just fall in love with every single one of these units. And I told myself I'm not gonna keep switching my wigs every time I do a new wig install, but these wigs just look so pretty that I want to wear all of them at once. You have got to be kidding me. Bro. You have got to be freaking kidding me. Look how pretty this is. This is ridiculous. I know I sound like a broken record in all these videos talking about how pretty the curls be, but I just really be at a loss for words. I really do be in love with all these units. I could just tell this is gonna be one of my favorites, because this is very much like the reddish brown UNice kinky curly unit I had. Y'all know that video on my channel. I'm gonna link it right here so y'all can go watch that after this one. It's very similar to that wig, except for this one is a natural color. So I think I actually like this unit more, because I like natural colored wigs. Like, I like wigs this color that look like my actual hair color, and then this texture is so natural. So I think this wig is awesome right here, y'all. And the ends actually don't look straight anymore now that I'm like combing through it more. The ends are curling up. 10 out of 10. Let's do the rest of the head. It's just the way the curls look like this at first. The way they look like this at first. And then you brush through them and they look like this. Because is this even the same wig? That is just so amazing to me. I could always just throw on a wig and my hair is done. They make wigs that you could just wear out the box, y'all. Like, we are living in the future, seriously. Like, this is literally magic. It's magic the way it goes from this to this. That's magic, seriously. Look at the difference. And like I always say, you know, both sides are cute. It just depends on like how you want to wear your hair. Like, if I was really rushing and I didn't have time to comb through my hair, then, you know, I'll just kind of pick this out a little bit, lay my edges down, and like, you know, I would go. But this right here, this is what I love. And this just looks so natural, so thick, so full. And I love how the curls aren't like so like perfect. Like how on this side, it just looks perfect and like, it just doesn't look realistic. But over here, it looks very like real hair. How do they do that, y'all? She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her UNice wig. You literally can't tell me nothing with my UNice wig on. Like, you can't even talk to me with this wig on. Like, I be acting different with my wig on, I'm not gonna lie. As I should, because I look too good. Like, I look too good. Like, what is you even saying to me? Exactly, just be quiet. Okay, they actually ate with the baby hairs. Like I was saying before, the baby hairs look so good once you actually like comb them out and brush through them. I can get down with that. Like, that looks good. It's literally, it's just a no effort hairstyle, you guys. All right, last thing I need to do is put some makeup on the part and then put a little bit of makeup on the lace to help the lace melt into my skin. And all we gotta do is wait for the hair to dry. Like, this install was so quick and easy. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just put this on the top just to help it be a little bit more, you know, flat. Yes, this looks so good, you guys. Look at this unit. Ugh, in love is not even a word. Literally not even a word, y'all. So bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on this lace, and let's hope that that little white line right there goes away, because I'm not feeling that. I hate that white line. And what I always do is take some foundation that's like dark, like my darkest foundation, because my forehead's darker than the rest of my face anyways. I think most of our faces are like that. And I just put that on there. I think that did pretty good. What y'all think? Now the lace, I do need to tighten this band in the back because the lace is kind of like lifting up a little bit. I just don't think it's tight enough, but hold on, let me tighten it. And then we can see. Period. When I tell y'all, this brand right here, it gets me together every time. I look so good in this hair. Like, what do I need to say? Just look at the unit, y'all. I mean, like, what can I say? What can I say? It's the way you act. It's the way you act. It's the way this wig acts for me. I mean, the way these UNiCE wigs act all the time, what can I say? Look at the pink, it's just so cute. Like, everything about this brand is just like, I love. My hair looks so good. So let's wait for it to dry and I'll be back. I just love this wig. And when I got this wig on, the Nicki Minaj song, Like My Honey's Blue, bad, yeah, I keep them by the two. I ain't nothing like you, and you. That's just playing in my head because that's just how I feel with this hair. And like my honey's blue, bad bitches, yeah, I keep them by the two. Yeah, like, so I mean, really look at my hair, you guys. Look at my freaking hair. Like my honey's blue, bad, yeah, I keep them by the two. Like, get into this. the fullness out of this world. And the thing is, the hair is still wet. Like, it looks so natural. Like, I love how natural this hair looks. This just looks so good. Like, you would never guess that this is a wig simply because it looks so natural. And two, you would never guess that this is glueless because, like, literally it looks so good. Let's get into it, you guys. No glue.
And y'all, that's the end of this video. This hair turned out so freaking pretty. Look at the fullness on it. Like be so serious. This hair turned out so freaking pretty. Like, and it was so effortless. Like, the install took no time, you guys. Like, literally wear and go. Like, wear and go about your day. And of course, the link to this unit will be on my Amazon storefront, or you could purchase this off the UNice website. And yeah, y'all, I love this wig so much. And I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And comment down a blue heart if you made it this far in the video, you guys. And again, just thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.